Okay, it's time for workbook, and this is the Let's Read part for Unit 7, and it's on pages 62 and 63 in your Let's Go 5 workbook. Part A just says read, and the title of this article is Trick Your Eyes. What do you see? Ice cream tastes sweet. Roses smell wonderful. Our senses tell us this. But we can trick our senses. Look at this picture. Do you see a rabbit or a duck? For me, I see a duck. What about you? It's an easy trick. First, draw a rabbit. Then, turn the picture to the left. Now, it looks like a duck. So here's the rabbit, and here's the duck. Doesn't work for me. It looks like a rabbit and a rabbit lying down. What about you? Does this look like a duck to you? Photo tricks are easy too. Stand and reach for the moon. Pinch your fingers together. Ask your friend to take a picture. It will look like you are pinching the moon. Okay, as we read through, our review words were trick, left, draw, and photo. Let's go ahead and look at the questions, and we'll use this text to help us answer the questions or to prove our answers. Okay, B is just answer the questions. Number 1, what tastes sweet? All right, so in this case, we don't have any do here, so we're just looking for a thing. We're looking for the thing that tastes sweet. Let's go back and find that clue word, and then we'll find our thing. Ice cream tastes sweet. Okay, there's our answer right there. What tastes sweet? Ice cream tastes sweet. Done. Let's write that down. Ice cream, I-C-E space C-R-E-A-M space tastes sweet. Done. Number 2. What smell wonderful? Okay, so we're going to go back in, and again, we don't have any do, so we just have to find the thing that does this, and we're looking for this clue word wonderful. So what smell wonderful? Let's go back and find it in the text. Let's look for wonderful. Sweet is wonderful. There's wonderful. What smell wonderful? Roses. Roses do. So let's write roses smell wonderful. That's not too hard. Here we go. Roses smell wonderful. All right, and number 3 right here says, what happens when you turn the picture of the rabbit? Okay, a little bit harder. So what happens is asking us for an action. And when you turn the picture of the rabbit, this whole thing, turn the picture of the rabbit, is going to be our clue. We'll look for these words. We're going to find this, and then this should be after it. Okay, so it should sound like turn the picture of the rabbit and blah, 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 blah. All right, this will be, the answer will be after this. You turn it, and then what? Let's go look in the text for turn the picture of the rabbit. Okay, I don't remember where it was, so I'm gonna go from the start. Ice cream tastes sweet, roses smell wonderful, our senses tell us. Nope. But we can trick our senses. Look at this picture. Do you see a rabbit or a duck? Nope. Looking for turn the picture. It's an easy trick. First draw a rabbit, then turn the picture to the left. Got it. Right here, turn the picture. Okay, now I need to see what happens. So what happens after, that's gonna be this sentence. Now it looks like a duck. So there is our answer right there. You turn it, and then what happens? It looks like a duck. Done. Let's write this. It, and that means the picture, looks like a duck. Awesome. Number 4, why do you pinch your fingers together? Okay, so we're looking for a reason. And maybe we might say because around here. And may not though. And our clue words are pinch your fingers together. Okay, let's go look for that. Pinch your fingers together. I think it was in this one. Let's see. Photo tricks are easy too. Stand and reach for the moon. Pinch your fingers together. Okay, so here's pinch your fingers together. We found our clue. Why do we do this? We pinch your fingers together because ask your friend to take a picture. No. Pinch your fingers together because it will look like you are pinching the moon. Yes, this is why. It will look like you are pinching the moon. Okay, let's write this part. This is our answer. We don't need an exclamation mark because our answer is not a strong feeling. Why do you pinch your fingers together? Well, because it will look like you are pinching. Well, they didn't give us, but pinch means this. This is pinch. The moon. Okay, part B is done. A little bit harder this time, but still done. Okay, this is part C. It's the vocabulary part. And this time it's a little bit different. It says read and number the pictures. So we're not going to check this time. We're going to read the sentence and then write this number in the right picture. Number 1, draw a rabbit. That's ice cream. That's taking a photo. That's pinching the moon. That is drawing a rabbit. That's number 1. Number 2, ask your friend to take a picture. That's ice cream. That's taking a picture. So that's number 2. Number 3, ice cream tastes sweet. Yeah, that's ice cream. Number 4, pinch your fingers together. So that's 4. Part C is all done. This is part D. It just says, what about you? Write. So we can write about how we feel. Number 1, what do you think smells wonderful? Personally, I think that my son usually smells wonderful because he's still kind of young. So I'm gonna write about him. I'm gonna say my son, he doesn't smell stinky yet. So my son smells wonderful. I don't think that any of you have sons, so you have to change this part. You could say like, cookies smell wonderful. My mom smells wonderful. A flower smells wonderful. My sister's left sock smells wonderful. You can change this to whatever you want, whatever you think smells wonderful. But it should be one thing. If it's more than one, this has to change to smell. Number 2, do you take trick photos? What photos do you take? Okay, so trick photos mean photos like this. So photos where you're making a trick while you take the photo, like he's pretending to pinch the moon. So if you do those kind of photos, you can say, yes, I do, period. And then you would say, take here. I take photos of... For me though, I don't really take those photos. So for me, I'm just gonna write, no, I don't. And then I'm done. Again, if you do, then you should write, yes, I do. I take photos of me being taller than my mom, of me pinching the sun, of burning my hand, of me being a zombie. You can write what you want here if you do take those kind of photos. For us, though, and for me, I'm done. And these pages are done. So good job, everybody. Bye-bye, pencil.